To fix a Motorola modem that's not connecting to the internet, several steps can be taken. First, it's essential to check for loose connections, as these can disrupt the power supply to the modem. Ensure the modem is properly plugged in and that there are no loose connections within the cables. A simple way to verify if the modem is receiving power is to test the lights and observe if they turn on. Another potential issue is a startup malfunction, where the cable modem may encounter an error during startup, leading to connectivity problems. In this case, manually restarting or rebooting the modem can resolve the issue. Additionally, damaged Ethernet cables can also cause connectivity issues, as they can deteriorate over time. Examining the Ethernet cables and replacing any damaged ones can help resolve the problem. By identifying and addressing the issue, connectivity problems can be easily resolved, making the process relatively straightforward.